Welcome to solverfy.
So in this question, we are asked to write a function that checks if two strings are anagrams. And two strings are anagrams when they have the exact same characters, but they could be in different orders. For example, example on the right side shows two words which have same characters, but they are jumbled different order to give two different words. So if this is the case, it's an anagram. If it's not, if they are not the same characters in general, apart from the order, then it's not an anagram. So what we do is we first take two inputs from the user. We ask the user to input word 1 and word 2, which we store as string from the input function into w1 and w2. And then we define a function, which is this one. And I've called the function anagrams, which takes in two arguments, which are s1 and s2, which are strings by definition. And then what we do is we first convert these strings into a list by using this function, because what we want to do is basically that we know that the overall elements of the overall characters of the string should be the same. That's what we want to confirm. So one way of doing it, or the easiest way of doing it, is that we need to sort them out into the correct order, alphabetical order, and then just compare the two strings. So if those are equal, then this is an anagram. But we cannot sort a string. We can only sort lists. So we must convert the string into a list. So we reassign the s1, s2 as a list of the previous s1, s2, which have come into the arguments. So once this is done, we sort these lists using the sort function of the list, or the sort attribute. So s1 sort, s2 sort will sort the s1 and s2 in alphabetical order. And then all we do is we check if s1 is equal to s2. If s1 is equal to s2, we return a message that it is an anagram. And if we return a message called not an anagram. And to just finally print out the message, we will use the function anagram and pass the arguments w1, w2, which are the inputs from the user, as the arguments, and print the return value. And the example here shows you how it works. I have put an anagram by definition or by choice. Smile and miles both have the same characters, although they're jumbled up. So once you put this, you will get an answer which is an anagram. And if you try this program with the two different words which are not anagrams, you will find that it gives the right answer as not an anagram. So this is your function.